mighty sword. If it's got me, it's pointing toward. I'm not worried, I'll follow a word. If I'm head open like a door.
Pop his head open like a cord.
Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the topic envelopes and evolutes, in which we will going to discuss what is family of curve, what is envelope, its definition, method of solving and examples, and we will see what is evolutes, its definition, method of solving and examples. Before directly going on the topic, let us see what is family of curve. Consider the equation f of xy alpha is equals to 0 where xy are variables and alpha is an arbitrary constant. If we give different values to alpha, we obtain a number of curves of the same type forming a family. The arbitrary constant alpha is known as the parameter of the family. Let us understand by an example. Let our equation y is equals to mx. When m is equals to 0, y is equals to 0. When m is equals to 1, y is equals to x. When m is equals to 2, y is equals to 2x. We can see that y is equals to 0 is the line of x-axis, y is equals to x is the blue color line, and y is equals to 2x is purple color line. We can clearly see that if we give different values of m, we get different equations of same type, forming a family where the line y is equals to x, y is equals to 2x are of same type. Here m is the parameter of the family and the equation y is equals to 0, x, 2x are the members of the family. Now we can see what is envelope. A curve which touches each member of a family of curve and at each point is touched by some member of the family is called envelope of that family of curve. In the given diagram, you can see that there are various curves of same type. A common curve is touching at some point which is known as envelope. Now we will see an example. We know that all the equation of a straight line of the form y is equals to mx plus a root 1 plus m square is a tangent line to the curve x square plus y square is equals to a square. Hence the envelope of the family of straight lines y is equals to mx a root 1 plus m square is the circle of radius a. Since it is very lengthy to trace the equation for evolutes, so we have some mathematical representations of formulas for finding its equations. Methods of solving. Case 1. Where there is only one parameter alpha. Let f of xy alpha is equals to 0 represents a family of curves whose parameter is alpha. Noting down the equation and differentiating partially with respect to parameter alpha. Del by del alpha xy alpha is equals to f dash xy alpha is equals to 0. We have to eliminate parameter alpha between the equations, then we will get the equation of envelope. Now we will see case 2 where there are two parameters alpha and beta. Let f of xy alpha beta is equals to 0 represents a family of curves whose parameters are alpha and beta, where the parameter alpha beta are connected by a relation g alpha beta is equals to 0. Noting down the equation and give it to equation 1, g alpha beta is equals to 0, give it equation 2. Treat alpha and beta a function of new variable t and differentiate equation 1 and 2 with respect to t. The envelope is obtained by eliminating d alpha by dt and d beta by dt from the given equation and a new equation obtained on differentiation. Now we will see case 3 in which the equation is given in quadratic form. If the equation f of xy alpha is equals to 0 is given in quadratic form in parameter alpha, say a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equals to 0, then determinant is equated to 0, b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, which will be the equation of envelope. Case 4 in which the equation is in polar form f of r theta alpha is equals to 0, where alpha is the parameter. This equation can be found as the for finding the envelope of the family whose equation is given in the Cartesian form. This is similar to the case 1. Now we will see example related to case 1. Find the envelope of the family of curve y is equals to mx plus a by m, where m is the parameter. The equation of family of curve is y is equals to mx plus a by m. Give it to equation 1. On differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to m, we get 0 is equals to x minus a by m square. Here m is parameter and yx are constants. Then we will get m is equals to root a by root x and give it to equation 2. After substituting value of m in 1, y is equals to root a by root x plus a root x by root a. On solving and simplifying, we will get y is equals to root a root x plus root a root x, which will be y is equals to 2 root a root x. On squaring both sides, y square is equals to 4ax, which is the required equation for the envelope of the curve y is equals to mx plus a by m. Now we will see case 2 example where we have two parameters a and b. Find the envelope of the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equals to 1, where AB are related as AB is equals to k square. Let us consider a and b as a function of t. We get on differentiating both equation with respect to t. On differentiating equation of ellipse, treating x and y as a constant, we will get x square upon a cube dA by dt plus y square upon b cube dB by dt, and 1 will be 0. Now differentiating equation 2, AB is equals to k square, b dA by dt plus a dB by dt is equals to 0. For finding equation, we will eliminate dA by dt oblique dB by dt. We get x square upon a cube by b is equals to y square upon b cube by a. Separating 1a and 1b from both of the equations, we will get x square by a square upon ab is equals to y square upon b square by ab. On adding both the numerator and denominator, we will get x square by a square plus y square by b square upon 2ab, which will be equals to 1 upon 2k square from the above relations of the equations. Now after simplifying, we will get a cube b is equals to 2k square x square and ab cube is equals to 2k square y square. On multiplying both the equations, we will get a4 b4 is equals to 4 k4 x square y square is equals to k8 by the relation of ab is equals to k square. 4x square y square is equals to k4. On taking under root of the equation, we will get 2xy is equals to k square. This equation is the required equation of the envelope of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1, where we have two parameters a and b. Now we will see case 3, in which the equation is given in the form of quadratic equation. Find the envelope of the family of curve x minus alpha square plus y minus alpha square is equals to 2 alpha. Here alpha is the parameter. On opening x minus alpha square plus y minus alpha square, we will get x square minus 2x alpha plus alpha square plus y square minus 2y alpha plus alpha square minus 2 alpha is equals to 0. On simplifying, we get 2 alpha square minus 2x plus y plus 1 alpha plus x square plus y square is equals to 0, which is a quadratic equation of parameter alpha. Hence, its envelope is b square is equals to 4ac. On substituting its value, we get 4 bracket in x plus y plus 1 whole square is equals to 4 into 2 into bracket in x square plus y square. Using the formula, we will simplify the equation and the final equation will be x square plus y square minus 2xy minus 2x minus 2y minus 1 is equals to 0. We completed the concept of envelopes. Now we will study evolutes. Going to the definition, the locus of the center of curvature for a curve is called its evolutes. For understanding this definition, you should clear with the concept of center of curvature. Now we will see how evolutes are related with envelopes. The evolute of a curve is the envelope of the normal of that curve. Now we will understand how to solve its questions. Method of solving. From the theory on curvature, we know that if alpha comma beta be the coordinates of center of curvature of a curve at a point xy, then alpha is equals to x minus dy by dx whole 1 plus dy by dx square upon d2y by dx square, and beta is equals to y plus 1 plus dy by dx square upon d2y by dx square. For finding the equation, we have to eliminate x and y from these values of alpha and beta and the given curve. Then the relation so obtained after generalizing alpha and beta will be the equation of evolutes. Now we will see how to solve the equation of evolutes. Example: find the equation of the evolute of the parabola y square is equals to 4ax. Since we have y square is equals to 4ax, then differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equals to 2a by y. On substituting value of y, we get root a by root x. Again differentiating dy by dx with respect to x, we get d2y by dx square is equals to minus 1 by 2 root a x to the power minus 3 by 2. If alpha comma beta be the center of curvature at x comma y, using the formula we get alpha is equals to x minus dy by dx 1 plus dy by dx square upon d2y by dx square. After substituting the value we get x minus root a by x plus 1 plus a by x divided by minus 1 by 2 root a x to the power minus 3 by 2, equating it as equation 1. Using the formula beta is equals to y plus 1 plus dy by dx square upon d2y by dx square, and after substituting the value we get y plus 1 plus a by x upon minus 1 by 2 a to the power minus 1 by 2 x to the power minus 3 by 2, we get minus 2 x to the power 3 by 2 upon a to the power 1 by 2, equating it as equation 2. Now we have to eliminate x between equation 1 and 2. In equation 2, we see that on squaring both sides, we get b square is equals to 4a to the power minus 1 x cube. After simplifying and putting the value of x, we get 4 by a alpha minus 2a whole cube upon 27. Furthermore, simplifying and cross multiplying, we get 27a beta square is equals to 4 in bracket alpha minus 2a whole cube. Thus, locus of alpha beta is given by 27ay square is equals to 4 in bracket x minus 2a whole cube, which is the equation of the evolute. After watching the video, I hope that the topic envelope and evolutes is clear. Thank you.